episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Welcome on.
As I said, I love myself some roses, and I love myself a bit of gold. But let's get into today's hot topics, starting it off with where we're at. So Dr. Ross and I are currently in Puerto Vallarta at a resort enjoying the tides.
That's right. We just got out of the pool. That's why we're soaking wet. But let's get into these hot topics.
Yes, and before we go into that, we have our new reggae swim caps, which we're going to be promoting on the site soon. So make sure to stay tuned for that.
Specifically made for really thick, really long dreadlocks. Even if you don't have a lot of dreads, they can still fit in there. It's made for dreadlocks, to keep your hair completely dry because they don't have a lot of swim caps for dreadlock people.
And these go hand in hand with our reggae actual bands. We'll put the photo to the left. But stay tuned. I'm going to put them up on the shop, so stay tuned so you can buy them. One for yourself, one for your family, one for your grandma, one for your mother, you never know.
That's right.
But hey, let's get into our hot topics, starting it off with ASAP Rocky. So ASAP Rocky, well, he recently went to jail about yesterday. He went to jail because they dug up some dirt on him a few years ago where he allegedly had a gun.
And he was shooting at the LAX airport.
Yes, but then he got out today because he paid the $550,000 bail.
True.
Dr. Ross, it's just my opinion on this, but we all know Rihanna is pretty scandalous and she'll do whatever it takes.
I feel it's kind of random how she just found out he was cheating on her and now all of a sudden he's getting arrested for something happened a while back. So
Dr. Ross, I think she might have set this up.
Yeah.
But that's just my intuition. Let's get into our next hot topic with Kim Kardashian. So, when Kim was saying, get your ass to work, I think she was referring to Blac Chyna. Because now Blac Chyna is suing the Kardashians once again for $300 million.
And she said it's because they ruined her show. Her show didn't make it off the air because of them.
But Dr. Ross, this is at least the fourth time that she sued the Kardashians.
Exactly.
And she just said a week ago, I had to sell 2 of my best cars to get money for the kids. Which Rob and Tyga rebutted instantly, saying, we don't know what you're talking about. We're the ones taking care of the kids, not you.
And what kid do you know drives a car? The reason that she had to sell her 3 cars was for Blac Chyna herself.
Exactly.
Not because of the kids.
So, you know what, Dr. Ross? My advice, Kim should lawyer up.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
Kim is a lawyer, so she, but...
Kim is my lawyer. Let's get into our next hot topic with Kanye West. Kanye West has actually been pretty quiet recently, but there have been photos surfacing of him with Chancey Jones.
That's true, his new girlfriend, that's the Kim lookalike.
And Kanye West, thumbs down.
And we heard that Kanye West released the Part 2 X-rated tape of Kim Kardashian and Ray J to their kids directly. He didn't send it online, he sent it to the kids. Which, for me, if he's trying to protect those children so much, why would he ruin their lives like that?
Kind of mix-matching it, Kanye.
The best thing about being isolated is spending quality time with the kids.
It's a 50-50 thing. But this might even just be more things to add on to the Kardashians' drama, the Kardashians' gossip. Because you never know. They're always trying to get new content, especially since they just made their brand new show, The Kardashians, on Hulu.
That's right. They just signed a deal with Hulu.
But these were all of our hot topics. I'm going to get back to the pool. So
enjoy the food.
Yes. But make sure to remember, guys, once we have it up, the link is going to be in the description. roseandgold.us.
Buenos dias.
Dr. Ross and I are actually in El Chicos, a restaurant that's on the outskirts of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And it's so in the outskirts that there's no service.
That's right.
So if you want
really beautiful. Take a look around. We have like miniature waterfalls, rocks everywhere. We're actually in like a hut right now.
And if you want to escape from the phones, there's a hammock right over there.
That's right. So you come here to relax and enjoy yourself. Right now, my brother and I just got our sopas. It has chorizo, Mexican sausage, and beans. And let's get into our fish.
That's right. Let's get into our hot topics. So starting it off with Brad Pitt. Now, first off, he shouldn't have got shot in Sandra Bullock's film, but he's coming back as the new heartthrob in 2 new films. One's called Bullet Train, and another one is in production.
And we're proud of you, Brad, because this means that you're finally going ahead and you're doing some movies where you can look good and you feel good, and you're getting Angelina Jolie back.
But we all know where the money's going to. That child support. But still, moving on to our next hot topic. Camilla and Joe Biden. So, Joe Biden, if you haven't seen the controversial video yet, Joe Biden starts handshaking the air and looking around confused. In my opinion, someone should have came up there and told Joe Biden, okay, let's escort you off the stage calmly.
Exactly.
But as it went, now there's being spoofs and different things made on SNL and different comedy shows about this very moment.
Sad.
You know, Joe Biden, we love you, but we don't think you're gonna make the next 4 years. We think right now this is fine being this. But let's.
You might have seen this clip of President Joe Biden. It's been shared by everyone from Senator Ted Cruz to Snoop Dogg, and was even mentioned on SNL last weekend.
A video has also gone viral of President Biden finishing a speech in North Carolina, then apparently turning to shake hands with an invisible person.
Well, what was happening? Was Biden shaking hands with the air? No. In video from the event, you can see that Biden was actually gesturing to the people behind him. He turned to his right, pointed to them, and then did the same on his left. It's not uncommon for misinformers to manufacture embarrassing presidential moments. This is one of them. So we rate this claim false.
We're gonna move into our final hot topic with the She's Hot contest.
That's right.
So our winner for the She's Hot contest is a bombshell, and she's hot. I gotta say that. She's a 10 out of 10.
That's right.
But
Scandalous.
our winner is Miss Michaela Maroney.
Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations. We're gonna be putting her photo right here, but she's a model, a top-notch one at that, and she's doing her thing.
That's right. And
These were all of our hot topics, but we're gonna keep you guys posted on everything that's happening in Mexico, as well as everything that's happening with the Jamaican shampoo, because we're
That's
promoting
right.
it, we're putting it out here, and we're coming to Mexico to enjoy, but also to make those business deals.
Get down! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Get down!
And this is our final topic for today. We just had to mention this one. Willow Smith and a ton of other entertainers performed at the 2022 Coachella, and some performers were good, some performers were not. But I must say, Willow, your manager and whoever works on, your fashion stylist, you need to stick with the black lipstick and the whole goth look and a rocker, because right here with your bald hair, it doesn't look right. You look kind of crazy, but that's just my opinion.
I completely agree with IK. And like IK was saying, we're here to promote the Jamaican shampoo. So we're having a lot of fun. We're meeting with agents in Mexico.
That's right. We
so.
just got back from meeting with our publicist and manager, and we're going to keep you guys posted on everything that's happening in Mexico.
That's
so make
right.
sure to stay tuned, follow, like, and give this video a thumbs up, as well as a share to all of your friends and family. But hey, we're going to enjoy this delicious meal, muy riquísimo meal, and we'll see you on the next episode of Rose and Days. Ciao, Bella. Adios.
Big River.
Hopefully that dog is not under our tires right now.
No, he's not. He was just running around the back tires. That's why I was scared.
Oh, there's waterfall over there, guys.
Where's the event?
Here's a bridge. Come back.
Canopy Tours.
It's a scary bridge.
See, that's the bridge that's kind of makeshift.
Go for it, Sienna.
No están scared.
Maybe I might walk across that bridge.
I feel bad for that little chihuahua. He was about to get hit. And he kept trying to sleep underneath the wheels. I was like, remember he was chasing our car, and then when we stopped, he went in the front of the wheel to go sleep. And then we started. Oh my gosh.
These are better homes.
See.
Okay, let's how do we get out? Okay, I'm guessing we go
Yeah, I
back.
think we have to go through the whole thing.
Banana trees.
True.
Oh, do we have any service? Yes.
We're heading to the Las Luntas Vegetarian, and we're gonna have a really good dinner. So it's called Las Juntas y Las Bananas.